Papi, so may sulat tayo ngayon. By the way, guys, pwede kayo sumulat sa amin sa Facebook. It's Lecheng Pag-ibig to, as in T.O.
Yes.
Meron na tayo dyang more than 24,000 followers. And on Instagram, it's Lecheng Pag-ibig to, as in number 2. Lecheng
Number
Pag-ibig 2. So, galing to sa IG natin. And nung nabasa ko siya, na-realize ko, oo nga no, pagka natatapos yung friendship, hindi natin madalas alam na tapos na pala siya. Hindi siya kagaya ng boyfriend-girlfriend relationship na ayoko na.
May
Break na
heartbreak.
tayo. May ganon. Di ba? May kumprontahan. Parang konti lang or kung
We're
may...
talking about just friends na walang romantic...
No romantic involvement.
Involvement.
Platonic
We're talking about
relationship.
friends,
Friendship.
Could be a barkada, pero
Yes.
platonic.
Pwedeng girlfriend,
Okay.
pwedeng parehong boys na... Was there ever a time na meron kang friend na parang sinabi nyo sa isa't isa, para it's not working eh. Tapusin na natin tong friendship natin. Di ba wala tayong ganon?
Oo. Kung gagawin yun sa fellow lalaki.
Exactly.
Bro, hindi tayo bros,
Isn't it parang...
But okay, before we get to that, may friendship over ka na ba na tao?
Meron. Pero
Did you ever have a talk na parang, alam mo yun, okay eh.
sa girls,
hindi
parang madalas. Isa lang, meron. May ganun ako.
Hindi na kita kayang maging kaibigan. I can't be a friend anymore.
Hindi ko sinabi yung exact words na yan. Walang ganun. Pero, may fight. And
Kasi I
then,
remember the last person I said that to.
lalaki? Hindi mo
Hindi, babae rin.
Baka naman ginojowa mo kasi, hindi mo kaibigan yan.
Oh, si Esa nga. Sabi, I can't be a friend anymore. I think I'm in love with you.
Ginigigil mo ako. Seryoso na kami dito eh.
Kalma!
Sabi ko na eh. Sabi ko na ginojowa mo eh. Yun nga.
Okay, sige. Joke lang.
Sa akin
Okay, but have you
meron.
ever had...
Kasi tinanong kita kanina, sabi ko sa'yo, meron ka ba ever guy friend na sinabihan mo, pre, it's not working out eh. Paano na? End na natin to. Yung parang, wala tayong ganon. Even sa babae, sa tagal ko sa mundong ibabaw, wala pa ako ever nasabihan na, friend, hindi tayo nag-work out. Let's just end this. Walang ganong kumprontahan. Meron siguro nag-away kayo and then after that, boom, sulian na ng kandila. Pero yung sasabihin mong maayos na ending ng relationship, parang yung sa boyfriend-girlfriend, minsan maayos ang hiwalayan, minsan naman hindi. Pero at least yun, may hiwalayan. Sa friends kasi wala. And yun yung na-realize ko upon reading itong message ng letter sender natin.
I of course, there are friends that either lumipas na yung parang time of your life na sobrang close kayo. Let's say, some of your high school friends, some of your college friends, sobrang close kayo ng high school or college. But, you know, when you move on to your next life chapter,
Wala na sila.
things started, I mean, you know, you started doing your own thing. You guys don't see each other as much anymore. The connection isn't as strong anymore. And that's just life. These things happen, no? But also, there are friends, I'm sure everybody would be able to relate to this, na probably may nagawang kasalanan, so to speak. At, sige, you were able to forgive, baka hindi mo forget. So, parang let's just call it quits. Let's just call the friendship quits. And let's move on with each other's lives.
Or,
Kasi, wala eh. Parang, diba?
pwede rin pareho nung problema ni letter sender. Meron
Which
siyang
is?
parang friend na tamad mag-effort.
Oh, may kilala akong ganyan.
Ay, gusto ko malaman kung sino yan ah.
No. It didn't happen to me. Meron lang akong friend na frustrated siya. Kasi nga, yung kaibigan niya, parang siya lagi nag-iimbita.
Yeah.
Siya lagi magawa ng effort na ano.
Siya lagi nag-reach out.
Oo. So, in short, si other friend naman, kung hindi mayaya, wala ring effort na, okay, I actually posted something just last night, no, on Instagram.
About that?
No. This is about being a friend and
Sige
you know,
nga,
friendship.
parinig nga. Baka ano yan eh, baka swak yan dito sa topic natin ngayon.
Friendships in general, no. Okay, this is what I said. Nasa stories ko pa nga to, but we're recording this on an earlier date. Some people talk to you during their free time, and some people free their time to talk to you. Make sure you know the difference.
Ay, ang ganda.
Kailangan mo na 1 second para i-absorb.
Ibang klase. Teka, hinahanap ko sa stories mo. Ayun na, nakita ko na. Oh, some people talk to you.
Kagabi ko
in their
pinost
free
to.
time, and some people free their time to talk to you.
Oh,
Make sure
boom.
you know the difference.
that's
Doon ako sa pangalawa.
Mga scientist kausap ko niyan.
Doon ako sa
Nag-symposium
pangalawa.
kami
Kung sino man mga kinakausap mo, kausapin mo pa sila. I like it.
People who make an effort to see you, people who
Some
you know,
people
have that
free their time to talk to
Yes.
you. I was talking to a friend.
Alam mong busy sila, pero hindi pwedeng masira ng
Hindi
trabaho.
kasi, papi, ito sa akin pagkasama
Oh.
yung tao na yan, whether kaibigan or jowa or kung ano mang bagay na yan sa buhay mo, you will always make time. Walang busy. Sa kahit sinong
Or even if you're
tao.
busy, you would make time.
You will always make time. That's my paniniwala. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, busy ako, di ako pwede. Ganyan, ganito. Yung sinasabi mong friend mo, medyo similar. Yung problem niya dito kay Jasmine na sumulat sa atin on our LPT Instagram. Maiksi lang yung message niya. Sabi niya dito, "Hello, Sam and Chacha. I love listening to your podcast. I just wanna ask, how do you know a friendship is ending?" Ang weird ng friendship namin ng tao na to. We've been friends for 5 years, pero di kami madalas nagkakasama. So, 3 kami sa barkadahan, yung isa nasa ibang country na, and then kaming 2 parehong nasa Pilipinas, pero hindi rin kami nagkikita. Nagkikita lang kami every time umuwi yung friend namin na nasa ibang bansa. And this past few months, napansin ko, ako na lang yung parating aya ng aya, ako na lang yung parating nag-e-effort na magkita tayo. And you know what? Ang hirap niya. Nakakapagod. Yung sinasabi nito. Ang hirap kasi minsan wala ako nakukuhang reply. Minsan naman magsiset siya tapos hindi matutuloy.
Yeah, may mga friends tayong ganyan. Yung panay set, see you soon, hangout naman tayo soon, pero 5 taon na, tapos yung pandemic.
Pero, here's the catch. Sabi niya dito, minsan daw hindi pa siya nakakakuha ng reply. Tinalo niya po ang presidente sa pagka-busy. May ganun siya dito.
Sabi ko sa iyo, mga busy.
Yun ang sulat niya dito.
Buti nag-retire na ako, di ba?
Sa pagka-presidente? Charat, ay, oo nga pala sa boys night out. Sorry.
Gusto mo, yayain mo bukas, tayo mag-inuman.
Yan naman yan si Sam, maaasahan. Kahit kailan.
Retired.
Pero ito, sabi niya dito, so how do you know if a friendship is ending? Kasi, hindi na siya kumukontak sa akin, ako na lang ang laging kumukontak sa kanya. And I've realized, simula nung nag-start yung friendship, parang ako lagi yung nagre-reach out. Uuwi yung friend namin from abroad, and may group chat kaming 3, tapos kaming 2 lang nung friend ko from abroad ang nag-uusap, hindi siya nagre-reply. So, tinawagan na ako nung friend ko from abroad, sinasabi niya, what's happening to this person? Hindi niya na pinangalanan. So ako naman, since kaibigan ko naman to, nagsabi ako ng totoo sa kanya at sinabi ko na ayoko nang mag-reach out, napapagod na ako. Basta tayong 2, magkikita tayo. I mean, ano ba nangyayari dito sa friend ko to? Meron ba talagang
Gawa na kayo ng bagong GC. Bagong group sa kayong 2 na lang. Joke lang.
Meron ba talagang mga friends tayo na tamad mag-effort? Parang sa relationship lang, di ba? Please help me, Sam and Chacha. Jasmine. So, ganun lang ka-easy. Pero, you know what? Upon reading, sabi ko sa'yo, upon reading her letter, na-realize ko, shit, oo nga, no? Parang, meron din, hindi lang sa relationship na mag-boyfriend-girlfriend ang may tamad mag-effort. Meron din tayong mga friends na ganito ang ugali. Meron tayong mga friends disappearing act pag nagkakajowa. Meron tayong mga friends na talagang tamad. Kailangan mong laging, ikaw ang unang mag-aaya sa kanila para magkita kayo. Right?
Pero, in fairness, pupunta naman sila.
Pupunta sila. Okay sa akin yun.
Hindi lang sila mag-i-initiate.
Hindi sila mag-i-initiate, pero pag nag-set ka na, they'll go. And I'm okay with that. Meron tayong friends na ikaw ang taga-set, ikaw ang unang mag-i-invite, pero hindi nagpupunta. Meron din tayong
last minute lagi.
Meron din tayong kaibigan na, meron kayong kaibigan na parang ito, yung kay Jasmine. Message ka ng message, wala kang reply na nakukuha. And di ko siya masisisi if ngayon, pagod na siya. Ayaw niya na mag-reach out. So, ang tanong niya, at one point, is a friendship over?
Nagtataka kayo.
Ano yun?
Baka nagtataka kayo, baka may tumatahol.
Okay lang yan. Hi, Chili! Pero paano mo nga ba malalaman pag friendship over na? Yung ganitong sign ba, ibig sabihin nun, ayaw na makipag-friend sa'yo, kaya di ka na masyado kinakausap. Or sadyang tamad lang siya. Or sadyang busy lang siya. Kasi ako, di ako naniwala, hindi talaga ako naniniwala na busy ako, pasensya na, kaya hindi ako naka-reply. I mean, hindi ka makaka-reply today, pero siguro naman bukas, sa susunod na araw, makaka-reply ka. Pero kung lumipas ang ilang mga buwan o ilang mga taon di ka nagre-reply, ay, iba na yun.
Okay. I think when it comes to this, first and foremost, if you guys are really good friends, I think you would be able to confront the person about this issue.
True.
Diba?
True.
I think with true friends, you guys should be able to talk about the good things as well as the bad things. The things you like about each other, the things that, alam mo, hindi ko nagustuhan yung sinabi mo o yung ginawa mo. That should be okay. No? If you are a true friend. No? But let's admit it, not everybody's confrontational. Diba? Na, yun nga, especially in the Pinoy culture, ano tayo, mahilig tayo sa tampo. Mahilig tayo sa, diba, sama ng loob, hindi ka lang kakausapin, hindi mo na lang kung bakit. Diba? Hindi natin masabi to their faces eh. Na, you know what, I didn't appreciate na yung ginawa mo to. Sana next time, hindi mo na ulitin. So, that's one avenue you might wanna consider. Confronting this person, first and foremost, bilang totoong kaibigan, na, oy, alam mo, I consider you a very good friend, pero I just feel na it's just me making an effort to keep this friendship together. Diba? Not necessarily friendship over, pero at least alam niya yung feeling mo.
At least alam niya na ayan nararamdaman mo.
Oo, may nararamdaman ka na parang, hangout naman tayo, or you can even say it na, feeling ko lang, parang ako lang lagi nagpaplano, ikaw naman magplano next time, ganyan. Diba? And I think they should, as the receiving end, you should be able also to take cues na, nga, no? If I wanna keep, kasi even, not just, sabi nga na relationships take work.
Takes two to tango nga sa friendship din,
it not just takes, yes, it's not just about romantic relationships. Even friendships take work. Diba? You wanna be you wanna have a solid friendship, it doesn't happen overnight. Sabi nga lang, tunay na kaibigan, may pinagdadaanan kayo eh. Diba? Talaga may pagdadaanan kayong good times, bad times. Kaya nga meron kayong maid of honor, meron kang best man dyan, diba? Kasi sa dami ng pinagdaanan mo sa buhay, kasama mo yung taong yun.
Yeah.
But also, that comes with with the privilege, or hopefully the ability to talk to that person and tell that person na, okay, tawag dito, parang ako na lang lagi nagyayaya. Diba?
Talaga ba? Papi, kunwari sa kayong mga lalaki, magaganyan ka?
Hindi, ako kasi laging receiving end yan eh. Parang, hindi ka na
Kaya
pupunta.
pala pinagtatanggol mo.
Alam
Sabi
ko.
ko na eh.
Alam ko. Hindi.
So, ikaw yung hindi nagre-reply. Ikaw yung laging inaaya.
Oo, hindi. Kasi, you know our work.
Yeah,
you know my work. Halos laging gabi.
How,
diba? So,
gaano katagal bago ka nakaka-reply?
Mabilis ako mag-reply, ha?
Yeah, pag work, mabilis ka. In fairness, oo. Pero sa mga friends mo, halimbawa may aya, tapos marirealize mo, shit, di pa pala ako nagre-reply sa GC na to. Yung maaalala mo bigla.
If ever hindi ako nag-reply, hindi ko sinadya.
Yeah.
Siguro I was in the middle of something, tapos nakaligtaan ko yung message. Tapos, at the end of the day, I was so tired, hindi ko na nabalikan. Pero hindi ko sinadya. No? Tapos maalala ko siguro like 3 days after, ay shit, nga pala, hindi ako nag-reply kay Chacha. Nag-invite pala siya nung for Friday.
Yeah.
Ganun. But I didn't do it on purpose. So, but I am guilty of the fact na lagi ako nag-turn down ng invite. But I also say it straight out. Na parang, sorry.
Alam mo, parang mas na-appreciate ko pa yan eh. Kasi I have a friend just like you.
Kasi yung mga friends na I'll try. Lahat tayo may I'll try friends.
Ikaw yun.
Sige, try ko.
Meron
Or
akong
text
super
friends.
close friend, ang lapit lang sa akin. Tapos whenever I say, uy, lunch tayo. Okay, check ko schedule ko. Ano, pwede ka na ba ngayon? Sige, try ko. But I appreciate na nagre-reply. Sinasabi sa akin yung reason kung bakit hindi talaga siya pwede. Hindi yung yaya ka ng yaya, tapos wala ka nakukuhang reply. Yun yung reason, yun yung problema ni letter sender. Napagod na siya, tapos na-realize niya nga daw, dun sa 5 years ng relationship nila, it's always her. Siya yung laging nag-i-initiate, mag-usap tayo, magkita tayo. And di ko siya masisisi kung mapagod siya.
Oh, and there's nothing wrong with FO, friendship over. Wala akong issue dyan. If you think it's gonna protect your peace of mind, mas okay ka, and you have, let's say, you feel that siguro you could be better, or you wanna make time for new friends, since this friend is not giving you that, that time of day naman, and you wanna set time for new friends. Maybe not FO na hindi mo papansinin or hindi mo pero parang wala, syempre ganun na rin ako. Parang okay, kung hindi ka nag-effort, hindi ka na mag-effort. Pero hindi naman kita kaaway or anything like that.
Nice.
I'm not gonna fight with you. Diba? Kasi technically, for me, on a personal standpoint, I don't find it tawag dito, parang wala ka namang maling ginawa. Mali, pero hindi siya offensive sa akin.
Sa
In that
lalaki,
way.
siguro talagang kami lang mga babae ang ma-issue. Kasi sasabihin ko sana dito sa letter sender natin, well, kung di ka nakakakuha ng reply, I mean, kung ano yung binibigay sa'yo, di ba dapat yun din yung ibigay mo sa kanya? Kasi kung for the longest time, ikaw at ikaw lang nagre-reach out, and then wala ka ever nakuhang, hi, hello, kamusta ka na, labas naman tayo, dyan sa friend mo na yan, baka it's about time ma-realize niya na, uy, baka dapat ako naman mag-aya kasi hindi na nag-aaya si ganitong tao, hindi na nag-aaya
Oo.
si Jasmine.
As a matter of fact, sometimes, naging style ko rin to, hindi na ako nag-reply, pero papakita na lang ako.
Better.
Oo. Ba't papakita ako?
So, surprise ka na lang.
But I made it a point also, I think it was last year, to be more present in the lives of,
Your friends.
I'd say my friends.
And
Because,
family.
kaya ngayon parang, ayun nga, like, I don't mind, like, kunyari, may mag-ride kami or something, I really wake up and make time for it. No, kasi sabi ko, parang, I realized also na, yun nga, yung friendship also needs work. I mean, because guys don't hang out, don't catch up with each other's lives, you don't know, kamusta na itong taon to, di ba? May problema pala siya. Then, para kayong pseudo-friends, di ba? Friends by affiliate. Pero you don't really know what's happening already with each other's lives.
Tsaka mas nakakairita pa siguro dun sa part nitong letter sender natin. Yung message ka ng message. Tapos makikita mo
Yun,
updated
that's
yung
definitely-
stories. Pero hindi nagre-reply sa group
Ay, sa'yo.
chat
That's
nyo.
So, I'd say na there's nothing wrong talking to this person.
Yeah.
Let the person know na, okay, I mean, this is how I feel. No, if you don't want to also make an effort for this friendship, na hindi naman ako galit sa'yo, parang...
Gusto ko lang
pero okay
sabihin
lang,
na ito yung
diba?
nafe-feel
gusto
ko,
sabihin.
di ba?
Oo,
Or,
hindi na rin ako mag-aaya.
yung-
Ganun ko na, hindi
parang
na rin ako
feeling ko mas
mag-aaya.
gagawin ko yung sinabi mo na parang, wag mo i-take negatively yung ginagawa niya ngayon, pero as is lang, hindi mo siya i-friendship over, pero wag ka rin ma-hurt.
Oo. Correct.
Baka
Huwag ka
kasi
rin ma-hurt
meron
na
lang
hindi ka na
talagang-
rin, na hindi na kita ni-invite. Huwag ka na rin ma-hurt na hindi na rin
Yun
kita
nga.
ni-invite. Diba?
Minsan,
Ganun na lang.
minsan gusto nating bigyan ng benefit of the doubt tong mga tao na to, especially our closest friends na hindi na masyado nakaka-reply sa mga messages natin na siguro talagang busy lang to with work. Ay hindi, may anak na eh, kaya siguro wala nang masyadong time to reply. But again, I'll say this na I do not believe in that, na busy ako. Kaya hindi niyo ako nakikita or kaya hindi ako nakaka-reply sa inyo. Because if special kayo sa akin, at hindi
make
ko man
time.
kayo priority, I will always make time. Kahit anong oras pa yan, kahit mag-set tayo 3 months from now, kahit hindi matuloy 3 months from now, magsiset pa rin tayo, mag-make time pa rin ako. Because I don't want my friends to feel na parang, ano ba naman to? Parang, di ba parang, ganun
mag-work
ka na,
lang.
I mean,
Mag-work
ganun ka ka-busy ngayon na di mo kami kayang isingit sa oras mo. Maiintindihan din naman natin yung mga may tampo na mga kaibigan natin,
Of course.
'di ba?
There's a
Especially
reason
if
for that.
they're the ones na laging nag-aaya sa atin. Pero sa akin, ang mindset ko kasi sa mga ganitong klase ng issue, lalo pa if mature ka na, wag mong awayin. Unang-una, wag mo muna awayin agad. Tignan mo muna where she's coming from. Baka mamaya may matindi palang pinagdadaanan tong friend mo na to, kaya hindi masyadong pala update sa GC nyo. Minsan ganun
Correct.
Happy-happy siya
Yun
sa
nga, kasi
stories
nga,
niya. Di ba, papi?
No,
Pero deep inside, hurting pala. May pinagdadaanan palang matindi.
Right. Totoo naman. I like that point. Na hindi natin na masyado na-tackle. We also don't know what the other person's going through. But-
Parang
and that's
pwedeng yung
what I said
Sami, pwedeng ang unang message mo sa kanya na hopefully mapansin na is, hey, kamusta ka na? Okay ka lang ba? Kasi di ka namin nararamdaman.
Exactly. That's a
Something
good way
like
to put
that.
it.
Diba?
That's
Okay
a good
ka
way
lang
to
ba
put
kasi di ka namin nararamdaman? If kailangan mo ng kausap, we're just here. Kasi baka nahihiya lang pala. May mga ganong tao nahihiya mag-reach out sa kahit kanino pag may pinagdadaanan. Gusto, alone lang lagi.
That's true.
Diba?
This is another an example that I really appreciate, no? Si Papa Drew
Aureliano.
Oo. We were neighbors before for the longest time. No? I was also super close to his dad, super close to him and his family. So we see each other all the time kasi same condo. Eventually moved out when he got married, ganyan. So we'd still see each other kasi yung condo niya tapat lang naman ng condo namin. So it's the same street practically. And then of course family got busy, 'di ba? He had kids. I also got busier with work. Pero siya lang yung taong ganito, no, na pag birthday hindi magte-text yan.
Pupunta?
Tatawag. Kahit sabi niya, 1 year na kita hindi nakikita, but I just wanted to call you. Say happy birthday. how many times does a friend, super friends, close mo na friends, text ka lang na mahabang message di ba? Pero siya, tatawag.
Nice.
Kahit one year na kayo hindi nakita, tawag lang siya on your birthday. And he's, I think, the only person na kilala kong ganun. Except for my parents.
Oo nga.
Di ba, na on your birthday.
At lalaki pa to ha, hindi to babae.
Lalaki pa.
Lalaki pa, yeah.
On your, tatawag na siya, kamusta na? So, sabi ko, pare tayong busy, ganyan. 1 year nga tayo nagkikita. And that's what he does. He doesn't send to his, I guess, close friends. No? He doesn't send messages on birthdays. He calls. He calls people.
Interesting.
Diba?
Nakakatawa. Oo. Yung effort niya.
Yung effort niya.
Para...
Also a long conversation. Probably it's a 5-minute call.
Yeah, for sure.
Quick kamustahan.
Pero matagal na rin yun ha. Para sa lalaki, matagal yung 5 minutes. Pero
like,
I mean...
if you haven't
para
seen
yun nga yung sinasabi ko. I mean,
2 years, diba?
Di ba busy si Drew? Hindi man kayo lagi nagkikita. But whenever it's your birthday, laging tatawag to make you feel special.
Oo.
Right?
Oo. Diba?
Hindi naman, alam mo, na-realize ko nga habang tumatanda tayo, yung mga minsan...
Effort yun for me,
True.
That's still it's
No,
small,
effort yun.
But it's still effort. Over typing a message.
I was about to say, sometimes, yung lalim ng friendship, hindi naman yung dahil lagi mo sila nakakasama. Minsan nga, mas malalim pa yung mga hindi mo nakakasama, hindi mo madalas kausap, pero kasi malalim talaga yung pinagsamahan nyo. Pag nagkita kayo, parang walang nagbago. But then again, hindi, sinabi mo na to kanina ang friendship parang kailangan din talaga pagtrabahuhan yan. Hindi tayo pwedeng prente lang. Hindi tayo pwedeng aabang lang na lagi tayong yayayain, aabang lang na lagi tayong kakamustahin. It's a two-way street. Dapat tayo din, di ba paramdam natin dun sa friend natin na we still care. Nandito lang ako, nangangamusta sa'yo kahit hindi madalas.
That's true. And I like what you said. Me and my best friend, ganun kami. He's in the US. Pero sobrang close kami that we used to hang out every day, high school, college. Tapos he transferred, he moved to the US. Pero when we see each other, parang kahapon lang.
Parang wala nagbago.
Oo. Pero yun nga minsan, like, out of the blue, wala. Tatawag, mag-FaceTime lang kami. And it could be like a FaceTime after a year and a half, ganun. Pero FaceTime kami.
Kasi yung
So, I mean,
effort,
small things,
papi, yung effort, hindi naman yung effort ibig sabihin kailangan physically nagkikita kayo. Sometimes, technology na ngayon, anong FaceTime? Viber, Messenger,
Hindi ka ba nagugulat minsan? Like,
tawag.
may random person na mag-FaceTime sa'yo. I mean, hindi naman random person. But I mean, a friend. Tapos, hindi mo alam kung ano reaction. Di ba nagsashock pa tayo?
Mas sanay kasi tayo.
FaceTime,
Kaya
sasagutin mo ba
nagulat
o
ako
hindi?
na nagkwento ka about Drew. Kasi sanay tayo na pag mga friends natin na hindi natin masyado nakakausap. Usually, happy birthday, musta bro? Sana okay ka lang. Blah, 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 and all
Telegram,
that.
Viber, one of the three.
Pero nakakatawa yung gano'n na, di ba, yung kunwari matagal kayo hindi nag-usap tapos biglang tatawag sa'yo, maluloka kayo, ay, ba't tumatawag si Sam?
Oo, di ba minsan titingin ka muna sa phone mo?
You know why?
Di ba
Sanay tayo na pagtawag, emergency.
Yes. Yun na yung sitwasyon ngayon eh.
Hindi ba pwedeng pagtawag, gusto lang mga musta?
Oo, di ba?
Or minsan
Kaya may shock
naman,
value.
minsan pagtawag, kinakabahan ka kasi baka uutang. Pwedeng gano'n. Charot! Chika lang.
Anak ko. Lalo na sa akin. Feel ko yan.
Diba? I mean, yun yung sinasabi natin kanina, yung effort, hindi naman laging physical lang, nagkikita dapat. You can still make an effort kahit malayo kayo or hindi kayo lagi magkasama. Phone
I
calls,
absolutely agree
texts,
with that.
messages. Pwede yun.
So, I mean, maintaining a friendship, two-way street as well. I mean, you give some, you take some. And, well, I hope ma-resolve nitong si Jasmine yung issue niya, no, with the friend. And the
if
best
hindi
way
naman,
as well
kung sakali man
is to talk
papi
it
hindi
out.
niya ma-resolve, sabi mo nga kanina, kung di ma-resolve, then I think it's time to move on. Ganun talaga ang
Or
buhay.
just say your piece para also for your peace of mind, diba? Na at least nasabi mo sa kanya.
If it's
na
for
this is how
your
I felt.
peace of mind, pag nawala tong taong to kasi iniisip mo lang lagi, bakit siya ganun sa akin? Ayaw niya na ba sa akin? Eh di just end it.
Oo. Kaysa yung parang, lalabas kayo ng kayong dalawa na lalabas ng friend mo na abroad, tapos magtataka siya, ba't di ako in-invite? Tapos tampuhan na.
I know.
Kasi yung mga ganun-ganun, minsan it's just good to just say things right up front na, okay, that's how I feel, di ka naman kasi nag-e-effort, so ganito na lang. Diba? Para at least, diba, if you're gonna burn a bridge, burn it the right way.
Hoy, may ganun pala.
Oh, I always think there's
If
a
you're
diplomatic
gonna
way.
burn a bridge, burn it the right way.
Yes. Diba? Kasi, at least you said your piece, no hard feelings. Alam mo yun? this is how I feel. I just want you to know. And baka maging friends pa kayo, or maybe that person will realize na, hey, maybe it's time for me to make an effort. Diba? We don't know how it's gonna end, but there's nothing wrong with saying how you feel, and even for friends. And this is not just for a romantic relationship, but even with friends, you gotta say how you feel, and hopefully things turn out for the better. But we thank you guys for listening to the podcast. We're on Spotify, we're on Facebook. Send us a message on Instagram. Like we said, we're gonna try to be more active but with the posting episodes. So far,
Hopefully,
okay naman tayo.
Wala kaming
Weekly.
absent ni Papi. Andito na kami. Naloka sila. Sabi pa ng iba, akala ko canceled podcast na. Hindi po. Nagpahinga lang. But hopefully this 2024, talagang dire-diretso na to.
Yeah, so you guys be safe, be good. We'll see you soon.
Bye-bye. See you next week.